Come with us as we show you how to walk from Val d'Europe to the gates of Disneyland Paris. If you plan to visit Disneyland Paris but don't want the hassle of taking the train the 45 kilometers from central Paris, a great alternative is to stay in Val d'Europe in Cerise, France. Here you can find accommodations a mere 1.5 kilometers from the Disney entrance. Another perk is that comparable housing can be found for a lower price than those offered in the center of Paris. We're starting at an easy-to-find location, the east entrance of the Val d'Europe shopping mall. You will pass City Hall on the right. Continue. You will come upon two lakes, one on either side of the road. Continue forward. You'll pass a police station on the left. When the road comes to the end, turn left. At your first opportunity to turn right, turn right. Be careful crossing the road. That bridge may look like it will take you to the park, but it will not. Keep going straight. You will end up at a bus transportation hub. Keep walking to the far end. Turn left at the traffic circle. That's Disney Village ahead. Cross on the green light. You're in the final stretch. You have made it to the gates of Disney. Here is where you will pass through security. Keep walking forward. You will see some gates on your left. These lead to Walt Disney Studios. This entrance is closed at the start of the day, but will open later. On the right is another security entrance. This is where you will enter if you take the RERA train from Paris. The entrance to Disneyland is through the bottom of that beautiful pink building. And on your left is the entrance to Walt Disney Studios. Enjoy your time at Disneyland Paris.